Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any news. So there is a president's speech, Trump. Maybe he is going to shake the market up just like he's shaking. Let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of EURUSD. Nothing much has changed. We have swept this high and this low, and the price is moving to and fro. Let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that there was one effigy, and right here is one BPR to the weekly. So I'm anticipating now that this BPR is going to act as a resistance. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have within the candles range. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price did react from this BPR and respected, this volume imbalance and respected this level too. Let's zoom it a bit. Till now, it is respecting it, and we are having one daily FVG now. So the lower time frame will approve that if we are going to come down or not. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, what we see is that let's zoom it a bit because the chart is a little choppy. So after moving down, we were having this BPR. The price kind of disrespected it, and we ended up with bullish BPR. So the price is still playing to and fro, and the bias is still not much clear. So if we are going to respect this BPR, that is bullish BPR into the 4 hours, I'll be anticipating that most likely this will be a vulnerable high and we are going to take it. If that doesn't happen and we disrespect it, then it will turn into a strong high, and most likely the price will continue the journey into the downward side. So it is still a matter to see, and if we are going to mitigate the daily level, this will turn into a weak low. So the market is a little choppy and not much clear for the long for a swing trade kind of a structure. So let's move into the 2 hours to see what do we have in there. So in 2 hours, even the price validates that there is one BPR and the price is respecting it for now. And if we continue the journey into the higher direction, most likely this high will be a vulnerable high. Till now, the price is still having 1 hour to get a close below it or move into the upside direction. So let's move to the 1 hours. So this is the 1 hour chart, and what we see is that the price is has given one FVG. So it is overall quite choppy market, not clear bias. So if we are going to tap this low, kind of break this low, uh, in the higher time frame, we'll be seeing that this BPR is disrespected and the price can spring back and tap this level and continue the bearish journey. So not a day for me, actually, because I'm not able to see any clear bias into the market right now. And till now, there is no clarity that the price is going to go down or up. So I'll be waiting for the price to clear the order flow, and then only I'll be entering the market. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments if you have different view regarding the Euro USD's moves. Till then, meet you in the next video. Keep trading and keep learning.